Hello guys, how are you? Hope all are good. So today I am facing a little bit weird noise when the rear tire is moving. As you can hear, like, so I found out that everything is good with the tire. There is no puncture, there is no bearing issue. So when I put jack and I saw beneath here, there is one pipe. I'm trying to show you. There is one pipe, this one, this pipe, as you can see, this pipe, it's touching here. You see, this pipe is touching here, like this, like this. So that is the that's the pipe which is making noise. So we are going to tie that pipe, this pipe, this pipe. All right, this pipe we will tie here back. Here, like this. With other pipes we will tie the pipe with the cable tie, so the noise will go. All right, so sometimes there is not big issue, just see by yourself, just little bit check and then go to mechanics. All right, okay guys, so as you can see, I attached the pipe with the cable tie, and now it's this much far, all right, this much. So now it will not make the noise. Now the noise will not come when the tire rotates. Thank you.